So I took out the pipe and it came out so easily, which means that this is really not working. I need to find another way of attaching this tube to this pipe and seal it so that there's no vacuums escaping. It's gonna take me another day to try to figure this out, and then we'll try it. It's I'm very close, but I have to make sure that I'm doing this thing right. Hi, so today I closed this one off over here because I could tighten it here, and I put this balloon. I had to improvise with the balloon because that was the way that I could close this part off. This was the easiest way, and I closed these sides, the two sides of this valve, and it seems to be working because when I open it, okay, so it's pulling the air out. I can feel the air coming out, and this is closed, so the air in the pipe is coming out. And then when there's little air coming out, when I open this, it gives a sound that air is going in. So I'm going to open it now and let all the air out. Hopefully we'll have vacuum here. I'm just testing now to see if there is any leak somewhere. If there is no sound of a leak, then I'll fill this up with water and see how if the water starts to boil, then it means that we have vacuum. Okay, so I'll just wait a little bit for this to fill up. Let me see if the valve is open. Yeah, the valve is open here, and hopefully this is closed off. I don't feel anything here. Maybe I'll use a balloon here because the balloon seems to be working. So maybe I'll put a balloon here also to seal this part off, because I can feel that there is some kind of leak here. Okay, so I filled this up with water, and I'm waiting for the vacuum to work and take off all this air in the pipes. And in this section here, and then we'll see. Oh, it's already, I'm getting bubbles already, which means that this is working, and this is cold water. So I'll try to warm it up with my hand and see how much vacuum we can get. Yeah, it's I'm getting bubbles, which is good. Yeah, I'm getting good vacuum. Okay, yeah, starting to get bubbles, and the bubbles are increasing. Oh, fantastic, great. Now, before I opened this, when there was vacuum, when I opened it, I could see the air going in. I could hear the air going in. There was the swish sound. And the bubbles are increasing, and it's obviously taking out the air. Now it's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time, but this looks good. Now when I added this valve here, the good thing about this one is that when I have vacuum in these pipes, I mean, the main pipes that connect here the alcohol. It's going to be alcohol instead of water, and the activated carbon. So then I can close this valve and I'll have a vacuum in the working part. So yeah, everything looks good. I'm getting even more bubbles, and hopefully, well, this means that I don't have any leak. Everything looks good.